Should snoring be ignored? The answer is no. Snoring isn't just a loud, annoying sound. It can be a warning sign of a sleep-breathing disorder, or SBD. In fact, an estimated 42 million Americans are affected by these conditions. One of the most common is obstructive sleep apnea, where the tongue and soft tissues block the airway, cutting off airflow during sleep. Left untreated, it can affect your health, energy, and even your heart. At Fountain of Youth Dental in San Antonio, we help patients recognize the signs early and explore effective treatments. Call 210-614-5481 or visit us at 5282 Medical Dr. Noah 520 San Antonio, Texas 78229. Snoring may be common, but it should never be ignored.